In Washington state, meanwhile, the governor's roadmap to recovery begins today. The plan is to have all counties move to phase 3 of reopening by June 30th.
Yeah, full reopening could happen earlier if 70% of all Washingtonians 16 and up get at least one COVID-19 vaccine shot. Right now, the state is at a vaccination rate of about 59%. Joining us live now with how things stand in Clark County is Dr. Stephen Krager, Deputy Public Health Officer. Good to see you again.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so how will this all impact people who are living in Clark County?
Yeah, so Clark isn't going to see a huge change today because we're already in phase 3. Cowlitz County nearby is in phase 2, and so Cowlitz will move to phase 3. So we'll stay at kind of 50% capacity for restaurants. Really what is going to change is, what's going forward. So if as a state, we're not county by county, if we as a state meet that 70% threshold of people over 16 getting at least one shot, then we'll move to kind of full reopening, which is, as far as we understand, kind of 100% capacity, as much people as want to be in restaurants, movie theaters, that sort of thing.
So, Dr. Krager, on the note of reopening, I think the thing that everyone's been talking about this past week here are these new mask guidelines. Last week, the CDC, releasing an update saying if you're fully vaccinated, inside, outside, you could take the mask off. How are businesses and workplaces in Clark County and in the state of Washington reacting? Because there seems to be a lot of confusion in some spots.
Yeah, unfortunately, it is confusing. I think overall the guidance is great. I mean, it shows us what we know, which is that the vaccines are very effective. If you have the vaccine and are fully vaccinated, which means it's been 2 weeks since your kind of final vaccine shot, you are protected. You are not, you may get COVID-19, but even if you do, which is very rare, you're not going to get really sick and need to go to the hospital. But I understand the confusion, especially for businesses. And that's what we're waiting for in Clark County is for further guidance from the state. We hope to get some today from Labor and Industries, where it gives our businesses some rules, some regulations to kind of follow. So I don't know if that's going to mean, checking for vaccine status or if it's going to be an honor system in Washington state, but at least we'll have some guidelines. I think also too, we may have guidelines for employers. So if you want to work without a mask on, you may need to verify your vaccination status with your employer. But yeah, we're waiting kind of like everyone else.
Yeah. Well, how are you feeling about the full state reopening on June 30th?
Yeah, I think, if we meet that goal of 70%, we're already starting to see cases turn in Washington state where things are going down. Clark County, we've kind of plateaued and we hope we see a downturn soon. Overall, I'm kind of mixed. I think it's the right move to go that direction, but it's really dependent on people getting vaccinated. We look at our rates and it's really clear among who's getting sick that the vast majority of people who are getting sick right now are not vaccinated. And you have the opportunity. We have tons of opportunity to get vaccinated. We have our Tower Mall site. We have sites at schools going on upcoming. There's lots of places you can walk in and get vaccinated. So that's our message for people. We're trying to make it as convenient as possible, and that's how we're going to move forward.